Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have a new part today to install on the 981 Cayman. This car I haven't done any mods to in the last like 2 years. So shout out to the homie Ashton who drives a cracked out E90 M3. He got me these side skirts for the 981 Cayman. Kind of surprised me with it because we use the same guy for parts, and I was gonna order it, and that guy was like, "Man, shipping for these things is like $200." So I thought about it, and I was like, I'll just wait. I'll wait till I'm ready." But here we are. So now we have these parts, and we can install it today. So let's unbox this. So this is made by Duraflex, and they are side skirts for the 981. I believe they make similar ones for other generations of Porsches like the 987 and 991, 911. These are more like a side blade, so it's like not as low and gets in the way as like a traditional side skirt you would see, like I have on the 987. So that's one side. The other side. I wasn't really driving the car that much. So because I wasn't driving it, I wasn't really motivated to work on it. So this is it. So basically, it just goes under the side skirt, and it has these little indents right here. I'll just get that. And then we could just, I think, just self-tap it to the underbody of the car. See, and then towards the back, it has a little lip that comes out. I kind of just like this black finish. Kind of looks like more of like an OEM skirt. Tools we're gonna need are self-tappers. That's it. Hopefully we don't need anything else because that's all I'm bringing. But first, lessons learned. First thing you do before you work on a car is change into some old clothes, preferably black, because you're gonna get dirty no matter what, and to cover up. Alright, perfect. Let's go. As you guys can see, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Porsche problems. Let's get one last look at this thing before it changes. Alright guys, we're here at the shop, so we're gonna start the installation. Let's just hope everything goes smooth. It should be pretty easy. It's just a couple screws. Check. That's better. Alright guys, we pre-drilled some holes. That'll just help the self-tappers go in here. We're going to do a few on the front side, one on the back. That'll kind of hold it in place and we can finish them. Here. Alright, it's actually good that there's so many points for it to go on. Couple more screws. So we are not going to drop it down yet, but we're going to do the other side. We're going to clean up the car, and we'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, the car is done. Super stoked with how it turned out. Let's check it out. That wraps up the install. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Special thanks to my buddy Ashton for getting me these side skirts for my birthday. And thanks for watching.